I have no idea what I'm doing. So while visiting the Swedish-Finnish border in last week's video and doing fascinating things like this, my new friend Eija wanted to challenge me. Okay, so what exactly is the difference between Swedish and Finnish food? Eija here has prepared a table of content. I have no idea what I'm doing.
But I have.
Yeah, she does. She knows. Look at this rainy beam of sunshine. Look at her. Oh. So what do we have here?
We have, let's see, chips or crisps from Finland and Sweden. We have reindeer meat. Then we have sausage, and we do have, what's it called? Sour cream, in English, kermaviili, gräddfil.
Cream lane. No, that's just a direct translation.
And then we have one thing that I won't mention here, but you have to know whether it comes from Finland or Sweden.
Okay.
It's a local specialty.
Local from where?
I cannot say.
All right, let's do this. We're gonna start with the reindeer meat. And okay, so this looks a little drier and this looks a little less dry. Let's try this one first. Salty. Let's try some more. It's been a while since I had lunch. Okay, let's try the other one. The other one, a little drier. Someone told me once that Swedish things are more sweet and Finnish things are more salty. I'm just guessing. So if I were to guess, I would guess that this one is Finnish because it has a little bit more salt in it, and this one is Swedish.
Totally not correct.
But I had the theory.
Yes, you had a good theory.
Okay,
which
so
didn't help you.
No, thank you.
On the right,
On
you
this side.
have Swedish sovas.
Sovas.
It's a traditional Sami way of salting the meat and putting it up to your hut, kota.
Yeah.
And then yes, and then you let it like get all the aromas there.
Okay.
So that's the big difference. And this, what you have now there, is very traditional Finnish reindeer.
All right.
Okay.
Martin 0, everyone else 1. Item number 2, gräddfil. We've discussed the meaning, but we think sour cream is the closest we get to it. I will try this one first. There we go. Yum, yum, yum. I don't think I've ever eaten this only. No, it's sour, but it's not like in your face sour. Kind of mild. Okay. No, okay. So if this is really sour, then I think it's Swedish, and I'm not basing that on any fact at all. Oh wow, that was very subtle. This was not as sour. I think even though that wasn't super sour, this was even less. This would go perfect with chips. Okay, okay. I am going to guess that this one, because it was a little bit more sour, is Swedish.
No.
Oh! Wow.
This was more difficult than I thought. Much more difficult.
Well, depends on who you ask. Okay, let's go with number 3, sausage. Okay, this one is more red than this one. So I have a theory already based on that, but who knows? All right, I will try this one first. I think I've had something similar to this before. This is not exactly falukorv. Or I hope it isn't. Okay. Sausage number 2. That's what she said. That has to be Swedish. The second one.
Yes, you are correct. That was Jokkmokkskorv. Sausage from
It was the
Jokkmokk.
color, but also, I don't know, it just, let me taste this one again, the first one. And this one just has a stronger taste. This one is a little...
This one is
Mjäkig.
Finland's #1 sausage. Håkonsininen.
Håkonsinne. Okay. All right. I can
1 point.
I can still beat this. Okay. Then we have 2 types of chips. One plain and one what do you call it? Räfflad. For your pleasure. I should know the Swedish one at least. Okay, let's try the regular one. Very salty. Whew. What if I do this? What? Okay. That was very salty. Wow, this will not be easy. I had a theory about salt earlier which was incorrect, so what would happen if I turned it around? I will say that this one is Finnish.
No.
Ah! Why?
That's ULV.
That was Ulve. Okay.
And the other one is Taffel.
Taffel.
Yes.
Okay. That was salty.
Both of them have just salt.
Okay. You don't say.
Just to find the equivalent from the
Okay.
other country. And then you can save this
Can I?
this situation by tasting this. Let's just take the bowl like this. And telling me whether it is from Finland or Sweden.
And it's not a trick question.
It's definitely a trick question.
Is this a specialty for Hapanna Tornio?
No.
Tornado? No, okay.
No.
Then it's... I mean, I've had this before. I think. So... Swedish?
No! This is called leipäjuusto, kaffeost in Swedish.
Kaffeost, coffee cheese.
Yes, yes.
But
In
it's,
Lapland and Kainuu areas in
but it
Finland.
it kind of looks like halloumi.
It does. I
Yeah.
should have bought halloumi. But the taste is totally different.
Yeah. I mean, consistency is kind of like halloumi,
Squeaky.
and it tastes like a cake, like a little piece of cake.
Yeah, it's a dessert.
It is a dessert. Ah.
You should put it in your coffee.
Okay, this feels like a language challenge with a Polish person. I did like one thing right.
Wow, it was quite good.
What is your general evaluation of my extensive knowledge into the difference between Swedish and Finnish food?
I'm totally surprised. I thought that you would have guessed more of these.
Correctly?
Yes,
It's
correctly.
like one or
yes.
two.
Yes, especially the chips, because you could have had ULV chips and then maybe taste.
I'm more of an Estrella guy, you know.
Okay. But still, you could know the taste.
Although it kind of makes sense that you don't normally get this shape and salty chip. Most salty chips in Sweden are the plain ones.
Yes. So
So-
that was a hint, actually.
That was a hint. Thank you. It's a hint if you know it.
Yeah. Better luck next time.
Okay, well that was Martin attempting to differentiate Swedish and Finnish food, and he's obviously not spent enough time in this area. So what should he do about it?